guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. Today I'm going to show you how I built this really cute miniature storefront. I started by drawing the shape I wanted my building to be on a separate piece of poster board. Then I took another sheet of poster board that was 20 inches by 30 inches. I started by finding the center point and then measuring 4 inches out on each side and drawing a line. I then cut through the poster board without going all the way through. Then you have to flip your board over, which will now be the front, and then measure out another 4 inches from each of the lines you just cut. And then you cut through them without going all the way through the poster board. I then took a Barbie doll and measured how high I wanted my door to be and cut it out. I then took the shape I drew on the first sheet of poster board and cut it out and glued it to the building to stabilize it. Then I cut another piece of poster board to go across the top. Next, I cut out the windows. Next, I set the building on top of some poster boards and measured out the back window area. I cut them out and then covered them in paper. I added some legs for stability. Then I added the sides of the building. Then I measured and cut out a back for the window boxes. I added some pretty scrapbook paper to the front. Then I took some white brick scrapbook paper and covered the bottom of both sides. Then I started covering the rest of the building in this blue scrapbook paper. I took some coffee stirrers and wrapped them in the white brick paper and glued them around the top of the bottom. Next, I decided I needed a little chalkboard sign to put out in front of the store. So I cut out 2 shapes and glued them together and then painted them with a brown paint and made a frame on one side and painted chalkboard paint on the inside. Next, I made a little display table for the window and painted it white. I took the poster board that we cut out earlier to make the opening for the door and turned it into the door. I printed the name of our store off in a few different fonts and cut the one I liked out and glued it onto some brown scrapbook paper. Next, I bought a pack of these real thin poster boards just to use the plastic for the windows. I just hot glued the plastic on. I used a little brad and bent it to make the doorknob. I cut a little hole in the doorway and stuck one of my little battery powered lights in there. Next, I glued this onto a sheet of poster board. I used a gray scrapbook paper to make the sidewalk. I just glued it on and left little openings in between each piece. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.